What's up, guys? Today we're at the Threshermans reunion up in Tumble. This is going to be the farm tractor video. More like Farmall video. There's so many of them. Alright, let's go check it out. Some WD9s. M. A. I believe that's a BN or a C. H. If anyone got an H or an M to give me, I will accept. 300. It's a 350 or a 450. W4. 400 wide front. An H. Super cool. Super duper cool. There's a bunch of tractors over here. Cub. Oh, Fergie. 300. Hey, that's cool. There's a BN. Another BN. F model Farmall. Maybe F14. C. W6 with a TA. 560. This thing probably does pretty good at pulling. AV. Coal division. 660. Super C. Super MTA. That's sweet. My dream tractor right there. I'll own one this year. Hopefully. YouTube pays me. Super H. Super H. $560. If you come here, you can take a ride on State Railroad. Come in there. Little Super A. Cub. H. That's cool. Ooh, a Hydra 656. 8. Oliver. I think this is the first not Farmall here. F model. And a 100 Farmall. That's cute. Some nice little Fords here. 661. Diesel. That's cool. 1010. Little Super 55 diesel. Little Chalmers. Can't forget about the little horse here. Little B. A. G, that's so cool. R. $550. Super 88 and row crop 77. Row crop 70. OC6 crawler. 2150. I'm in a 1750. Down there's.
Turn the gas off. That's all you gotta do.
H and a B. Well, John Deere H is cool. $49,600. This thing's crank. I know that. WD-45. What's up? Threshermans D14. John Deere 435 diesel. Little L. That's neat. 420. A 10 Caterpillar. There is the big brother to one of these, which is a 60 that is here. Crop 88, Case L model, Lee-Track, John Deere A 36, B, M, '72, wide front and a skinny front 70. Two 77s, another wide and a skinny front. And John Deere 720. Guess that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.